How to replace text in image with AI. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and type Textify. Now click on search and open up the first website. Now click on try it for free. Then sign in into your account. After signing in, tap on the empty space and select the photo. Now tap on the text part like this. Now type your text. Now let's type any text. Now scroll to the right on the top part of your screen and click on apply. Now wait for some time. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or a suggested topic? Drop down the comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.